How to access and use Google Finance. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can use Google Finance. So in order to start, the first thing that you'll need to do is open any web browser of your choice. I'll be going with Google Chrome. So now once I'm inside Google Chrome, I can simply click onto this Google Apps button over the top right side, just towards the left hand side of your profile picture. So click on Google Apps and then from here scroll down until you see Finance. Click onto this Finance option and it will show you a screen like this. Now if you are on any other web browser other than Google Chrome, simply go to the search bar and type in Google Finance. Then hit the enter button and you will see stock market prices, real-time quotes and business news by google.com finance. Click here and it will lead you to the same exact page, and from here you can search for different indexes. You see your portfolio value as well, can create a new portfolio as well. So that was easy. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.